The most promising ultra-luxury residential project is taking shape right here at Raidurgam, Gachibowli. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I'm Abhinav from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class projects, top-notch quality and trust. I'm excited about the pace at which the construction is happening, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 6 February 2025. The project comprises of 3 towers, and each tower has 4 level basements. In Tower 1, 4 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. First to 19th floor works are 100% completed. The 20th floor works are in progress. In Tower 2, 4 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 25th floor are 100% completed. The 26th and 27th floor works are in progress. In Tower 3, 4 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 18th floor are 100% completed. The 19th floor works are in progress. The clubhouse raft works are 100% completed. Basement level 4 works are partially completed. Basement level 3 works are in progress. Our endeavor is to ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and to provide you regular monthly insights of IRIS project progress.